jungle journey.
Hi there, adventurers! Are you ready to splash into the world of one of the smartest and hardest working animals in the forest? That's right, we're talking about the busy beaver. Get ready for fun facts, a guessing game, and even a chance to build like a beaver. Let's go! Beavers are nature's builders. They use their big front teeth to chew through trees and build their homes, which are called lodges. And they build dams to stop rivers so they can make ponds to live in. Who needs a construction crew when you've got a beaver? Beavers also have super strong teeth. They're orange because of the special iron that makes them extra tough. Imagine having a superhero teeth. Beavers live in North America and Europe, but most beavers love places like Canada and the United States. You will find them near rivers, lakes, and wetlands, anywhere they can build and swim. And here's something cool. Beavers are mammals. That means they have fur, breathe air, drink milk when they're babies, and keep warm in all seasons. Alright, it's time for our beaver sound guessing game. What sounds do you think beaver makes when it's warning others of danger? Is it A, a loud roar like a lion? B, a soft meep like a mouse? Or C, a big splash with its tail? Did you guess C? You're right. Beavers slap their tail on the water to say, "Watch out." It's their special way of talking. Beavers are herbivorous, which means they eat plant only. Their favorite snacks are tree bark, leaves, twigs, and yummy water plants. They even store extra stick under the water for winter, like a secret food stash. Now it's your turn to be beaver builder. Grab your toy blocks, pillows, or couch cushions and try to build your own dam or lodge. Can you stack them like a beaver does with sticks? And don't forget the tail slap dance. Stand up, stop your foot like a beaver tail, and go splash splash. Great job, little adventurers. Wow, beavers are smart, strong, and super cool. Thanks for learning and building with us today. What animal should we do next? Let us know in a poll coming up soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more animals adventures. See you next time.